Hold on a second, Sadie. I'm coming. Okay, what's the problem? This pan is still dirty. I guess I'll have to call someone. In the meantime, you'll have to hand wash all the dishes. That's not fair. Yeah, now works. Okay, thank you. Okay, bye. He said he'll come as soon as he can. That must be him. I'll get the door. Oh, this is too weird. Hi, my name's Jimmy, so I guess I'll just fix the dishwasher now. Ma'am, I don't really see anything wrong here. Look harder. Are you sure you turned it on? Of course I did, I'm not an idiot. You know what, I'll call someone else, get out of here. Alright, fine, I'll leave, you're insane, lady. Felicity, why don't you just try to start the dishwasher? I mean, maybe they're right. Fine, but just to shut everybody up. Oops, well, you know, people make mistakes. I need to go make some phone calls.